I hope everybody's doing well. I've been asked a couple of times why I never play with a pick. I prefer finger picking, you know. But every now and then I'll pick up a pick. You know, sometimes I'm comfortable with it, sometimes I'm not. So I decided that today I use my Fender Telecaster and just do something with a pick. It's nothing structured or anything like that. Just doodling around. Now, I want to thank everybody that has already subscribed to my channel, and those that haven't, please do. It helps me out a whole lot with the YouTube algorithm. So let's see what we're gonna do. We're going to do this in the key of A. And y'all get your instruments and play along with me. And let's see what it does. Let's try to have a little fun with it. All right. Oh, it's just the guitar. It's no drum, no bass, no nothing, not even a metronome. We just gonna have a little fun, just with the guitar by itself and the pick. So let's see what it does. Yeah, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe also. Yeah, let's see what it does. y'all let me know what you think. And until the next time, y'all be blessed.